A 25-year-old Grand Bay man in jail accused of shooting at his nephew inside their home. Deputies were called to Michael Nolan's house on Edmond Marcano Road at around 1 o'clock this morning. They say he and his nephew were arguing, and then Nolan grabbed his AR-15 and shot around towards the man. He says Nolan also threatened to shoot everyone else inside, too. He's charged with reckless endangerment and discharging a gun in an occupied building. Deputies say they found the AR Nolan used in his bedroom. It did not have a model or serial number on it.